in this River Boulevard. And so we want to showcase this area to our tourists. This is part of the General Flood Prevention and Control Program of the City Government of Cagayan de Oro in partnership with DPWH. And so the first section of this dike project is now finished there at Makabalan portion up to middle part of Divisoria. Now, this one is in Makasapig, and again, this is a partner project, no? And by the DPWH Convergence Program, together also funded by the Japanese International Cooperation Agency, or JICA. It is meant to be an additional road for our first booming population and transportation, more specifically to ease traffic congestion in Cagayan de Oro. Now this new road area is meant initially for emergency vehicles and for foot traffic, and slowly opening its to the public for vehicles. We have strict regulations in this area, and we have 30 kph maximum speed here. So we want to showcase this area to our tourists because you can see it's a modern development for a modern city, and you can see also there are guards here, so people feel safe. This is transformed into a recreational area for the locals late afternoons and evenings. Yes, for jogging, walking, and all the ing-ing. So you feel safe here because there's a patrolman, there's also a guard roving, and there is a no loitering rule here. And so you're not allowed to stay in one place and perhaps consume alcoholic beverages. So that's not allowed here. So pedestrians can also access the upper portion of the dike over there, which we will be going to in a while.